Welcome. In this video, I will show you all the ways to force quit an application on macOS 27. So, if you have some application opened, if you just tap the red circle in the top left corner of it, it will not close the application. Instead, it will just put it in the tray. And the first way to close your application or quit your application is right click it right here or tap on it with 2 fingers at once and select quit. But if this method isn't working for you, you can press Command and Spacebar keys at the same time to open Spotlight, and here you have to search for Activity Monitor. In the Activity Monitor, you'll be able to find your application on the list. Okay, here we have the notes. Just select this application and then select the stop icon at the top. And if you cannot close your application this way, then press the following the following combination of keys: the Option, Command, and Escape. After pressing these 3 keys at the same time, you will see the Force Quit Applications menu, where you can simply select your app and select Force Quit. Then confirm. As the last resort, you can simply shut down or force shut down your laptop. If you want to simply shut down your laptop and close the application, you have to navigate to Apple menu in the top left corner, then select shut down, and then make sure that you uncheck this checkbox. Click shutdown, and this way you will close this window along with, of course, everything else on your computer. Or if this doesn't work, then just hold down the power key until your device goes off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.